This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can enable the burst shot shooting mode on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to obviously launch the camera view. From here, look at whatever icon you have at the top or to the top of the shutter button, since depending on the shooting mode you have selected, this icon will be different. So tap on whatever icon you have here. Now make sure to enter the photo shooting mode, and to the left of the shooting mode selection you have also the sub mode selection or choice as well. Here simply select burst. Choose how many burst shots you would like to capture, 3, 5 or 7. Let's say I'll go with 7 here. And that's it. Now you can press the shutter button and the burst shot photo will be made, or photos rather. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.